Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make ice cream at home with custard powder. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of full-fat milk, half a cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite custard powder. Also, make sure you have a sturdy, freezer-safe container ready. This easy method skips the need for an ice cream machine, making delicious homemade treats accessible to everyone right in your own kitchen. Now, let's prepare our creamy custard base. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of custard powder with about 1/4 cup of cold milk to create a smooth slurry. Next, in a saucepan, heat the remaining 1 3/4 cups of milk with half a cup of sugar over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Slowly pour the custard slurry into the hot milk, whisking continuously. Continue cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture thickens beautifully. Once your custard base is cooked, it's time for chilling. First, let it cool down completely to room temperature, which might take about 30 to 45 minutes. Then, pour the cooled custard into your freezer-safe container. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours. For the creamiest texture, remember to stir the mixture thoroughly every hour during the first 3 hours of freezing. This helps break up ice crystals and ensures a smooth, delightful consistency. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, enjoying your homemade ice cream. To make scooping easier, take the container out of the freezer about 10 minutes before you plan to serve. This allows it to soften just slightly. Scoop generous portions into bowls or cones. Feel free to add your favorite toppings, like a drizzle of chocolate sauce, some fresh berries, or sprinkles. Store any remaining ice cream in an airtight container to keep it fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.